sky, overshadowed by the silence between us. At least I can stop asking why you treat me like you do, not me, it's you. I kicked your ass out into the storm last night, hope the rain kept your dick wet. But no, I'm not upset about the loss of you. Disappointed men will always come, and they will go like fades for weather in the sky, always turning on a dime, driving me crazy with the unreliability. But I'm getting you out of my brain and leaving my decisions to the in the sky, overshadowed by the apathy in your eyes. But at least I can't stop asking why I'm in this mess again, not me, it's them. I kicked your ass out into the storm last night, hope the rain kept your dick wet. But no, I'm not upset about the loss of you. Disappointed men will always come, and they will go like fades for weather in the sky, always turning on a dime, driving me crazy with the unreliability. But I'm getting you out of my brain. Like fades for weather in the sky, always turning on a dime, driving me crazy with the unreliability. Oh, the unpredictability. You know, it's driving me up the wall. So, go. Go on, get out. I said, go on, get out. Go on, get out of my skin, get out of my brain, get out of my house, stay out of my lane, baby, please. It's driving me crazy, but I'm getting you out of my brain, and I'm leaving my decisions, leaving my decisions.